Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an invitation letter for UK visa. What is an invitation letter for Visa UK? A letter of invitation for a UK visa is a letter written by a citizen or legal resident of the United Kingdom, addressed to a foreigner with whom they have family ties or friendship, inviting them to stay over at their house. Here, you need to write two letters, one is for the person you invite, and one for the embassy. For now, Writing Practices will show you how to write an invitation letter for UK visa for embassy step by step. Check this out. First of all, you have to write down your personal information. Write down your full name. In this example is Draco Malfoy. And then, write your home address that is located in the United Kingdom. Write the number, the street name, the city, the state, and the zip code. And you need to write your phone number as well. If you have email, you can also write it under the phone number. And now, write the date of the letter. In this example is October 14, 2023. After that, write the information about the recipient. Since it is for the embassy, you can write the officer or the immigration officer. It is okay to not write the name as they have a lot of officers who handle visa administration. And write the office name of the embassy. In this case is British Consulate General since the person you invite needs to request a visa for visiting United Kingdom. And write the address of the office. Write the full address including the city, state, and zip code. Now, you can open the letter with Dear Sir or Madam. In the first paragraph, introduce yourself. Here, you have to mention your full name. And write your relationship with the person or people you want to invite. For example, the writer here is Draco Malfoy. And he is the son of Lucius Malfoy and Narcissa Malfoy. After that, mention that you are a resident of United Kingdom. You have to mention if it is a temporary or permanent residency. And write the city of your house. In this example is Whitley Bay. You can also mention the full address, it is optional since you have mentioned it above. And write that you want to invite the person or people you mentioned before to come to visit you in the United Kingdom. Yes, you have to mention how long they will be staying in the United Kingdom. This will prevent from the visa getting rejected since embassy worry the people you invite will not come back to home country. So, mention how long, like 6 months for example. After that, write the starting and ending date of the visit. Write in the format of month, date, and year for both dates. In the second paragraph, mention the purpose of the international visit. There are a lot of visa visits and you may pick social and tourism. You have to give big picture what the people you invite will be doing in the United Kingdom. Mention where they will stay, for example is in your house. And write that you will cover all their needs when they are in the UK. Mention that you will be responsible for food, medical, tickets from their home country to United Kingdom and back, rent fee, travel expenses, medical insurance, and other financial responsibility. Because one of the reasons visa get rejected is because of not financially covered, then you have to mention it, and show the proof of your financial record along with the letter. In the third paragraph, you have to convince the embassy that your parents will go home in time, before the expiration of the authorized date. Write it clearly here that you will make sure of it. And ask the officer to grant them their visa. In the last paragraph, offer yourself to help the embassy for any other inquiries in the future. Write in what way you will be available to be contacted, for example as through phone or email. Finally, close the letter with "best regards" or "sincerely." Put your hand signature and write your full name. So, that's all how you write an invitation letter for United Kingdom visa. By including all the information in this video, the officers will not hesitate to grant the visa. Good luck.